Chege Mwaura, you're a member of the Nairobi County Assembly. Let's start with the question, were you aware this was going to happen?
No, we weren't aware.
So you got it on the news like everybody else?
Like everyone else, and I also know that even the cabinet that is chaired by the governor never sat. So it was maybe a decision, it's an individual decision that he decided to run. And just aside away from what my colleagues have really majored on, which is legal, which is okay, I would think the circumstances that led to his going to State House were political. Because this is a person, remember, who's never lost an election, who's never been in intense pressure that he's been right now with a court case and all these other, the noose is tightening. There's the issue of the jail coming up where he ran away. And now, the MPs had a discussion and they were questioning him. The county assembly now have brought an impeachment motion, which was now taking momentum, and it was actually looking like it's gathering numbers. So everyone else had looked at 192, and I think from the president's point of view, 192 talks about the dissolution or taking over of the functions, only that it states that it will happen for 60 days and we go for an election. But that will be dissolving the whole county, including the 85 wards. So I think 187 was a bit of an easier route for him. But curiously, again, out of the 10 departments that are there, why choose the 4? Right. And why not the other 6? And curiously, most importantly, why not the finance docket, which brings all these issues? So you see, this is a person who's been cornered, and the impeachment motion, I can tell you for a fact, has gathered enough steam. Okay. You will see it happening, and this is somebody running away.
Despite what Madam Beatrice Elachi was encouraging the MCAs not to visit Upper Hill, where apparently there was lunch that was being served by the governor.
People have gone, the ones who want to go, but the solid numbers that were there to sign for the impeachment and the gathered numbers, which is 82, was we're actually arriving at that.
So are you saying that Nairobi might be looking at an impeachment of the governor and possibly the election?
Of course, because you see, if the governor decided to resign, I would have really respected him for that, because you can't say, I'm unable to, I'm having problems running the county. If you take away these 4, I think I'll manage the other 6. And what gives you the indication that these 6 you are good at, and these 4, which is critical? I mean, if you remove transport, you remove public works, you remove health, you remove planning, which actually, and these are, by the way, the major revenue streams. A week ago, he gave out environment, the garbage collection business or management to NYS. So what else are you left with? And you still want to be a governor, only I just want the lighter duty.